Hello. Welcome back to Master English. Today, we're going to cover the next sound from our International Phonetic Alphabet book. Part 2, IPA, Dual Tone Sounds. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and repeat after me. Go. No. So. Show. No. Though. Slow. Flow. Grow. Throw. Now, let's do some sentences. The first word is go. Number 1. We decided to go to the park this afternoon. Number 2. She asked him to go to the store for groceries. Number 3. They want to go on a vacation next month. The next word is know. Number 1. I know the answer to the question. Number 2. Do you know where she went? Number 3. He didn't know about the meeting. The next word is show. Number 1. Can you show me how to use this device? Number 2. She plans to show her paintings at the gallery. Number 3. They want to show their new movie next week. The next word is no. Number 1. He said no to the invitation. Number 2. There is no milk left in the fridge. Number 3. No, I haven't seen that movie yet. The next word is grow. Number 1. The plants grow well in the summer. Number 2. Children grow quickly during their first few years. Number 3. He wants to grow a vegetable garden in his backyard. Great work! Let's review our vocabulary one more time. Go. No. So. Show. No. Though. Slow. Flow. Grow. Throw. Excellent. You're doing great. You are on your way to being a native speaker. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave a comment. Also, check out our videos, books, social media, and the Master English Patreon page for exclusive content. The links can be found in the description, along with the lesson notes for this video. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time. Peace.